You finally sit down to record your first video and your brain goes blank. Not because you don't have anything to say, but because you're trying to say everything at once. And suddenly it feels like you need an intro. You need to sound confident. You need to know what you're doing, but you don't. So what do you actually say in your first YouTube video? I'm going to give you a simple way to start your first video so you're not guessing and you can actually finish it. When I started, I thought I needed the perfect opening, something polished, something that made me sound like I belonged here, like I wasn't just trying to figure it out as I went. So I'd sit down, hit record, and nothing would come out. Or I'd start and stop until I had 40 clips of the same sentence. And somehow each one sounded worse than the last. It wasn't that I didn't have anything to say, I just didn't have anything to hold on to. Because when your brain doesn't have a starting point, it panics. So instead of trying to be impressive, I did something much simpler. I started talking like this. Hi, I'm Kathy. I've been thinking about starting YouTube for a while, and this is me finally doing it. I kept getting stuck because I didn't know what to say. So this is me figuring it out. And here's what I'm trying now. That's it. You're just answering 4 things. Who you are, why you're starting, what you've been struggling with, and what you're doing now. That's your whole first video. No perfect intro, no clever hook, no pressure to sound like anyone else. Just that. And if you're sitting there thinking, this still feels awkward, good. That means you're actually doing it. Let me show you how simple this can be. Let's say you want to start a channel about getting organized. Your first video doesn't have to be 10 life-changing organization hacks. It can be, hi, I've been trying to get my life more organized and I kept putting it off. So this is me actually starting. That's it. You're not teaching yet. You're starting. And that's what people connect to. Most people don't get stuck because they don't have ideas. They get stuck because they think, I need to sound like I know what I'm doing. You don't. You just need to sound like someone who decided to start. One more thing that will help you more than you think. If you get stuck while recording, don't stop the whole video. Don't restart from the beginning. Just pause, take a breath, and pick up where you left off. That one habit will get you through your first video faster than anything else. You don't need to sound perfect. You don't need to sound confident. You don't need to sound like a YouTuber. You just need to sound like yourself before you started overthinking it. And if you want something you can actually follow step by step, I made a really simple 1-page plan that you can download below. It'll walk you through exactly what to do. If you make your first video after this, tell me what it was about. Even if it only got a few views, I want to hear it. Because starting is the part most people never get past.